Let me try refreshing again. All right, I'm trying to fix get chat working here. So I went over to the beta, although I don't know that's going to do anything. Hold on while I hopefully loads up again. All right, well, I tried again. We'll see if that does anything. All right. While I wait to see if people are able to refresh and do anything with it, I will, in the meantime, we'll give my... you already have your maximum stuff, but... Improved sighting 1. That's the best you got, man? No, you can do much better than that. Has a lot more damage. Yeah, sorry if chat is still causing problems for everyone. There's not a whole lot I can do about it, I'm afraid. I'm just upgrading weapons quickly. Okay. Okay, good. It's pretty good, but still not good enough. Oh, that's, however, much better. Yes, please. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. It even looks better. That's pretty badass. That's what I like to see. Whoa, holy cow. Seriously? Alright, 41, 160. 221 shields? Wow. Mercenary 5 or Explorer 5. That's 41 damage protection, so it's double almost as damage protection, a lot more shields. Drop of 1 in biotic protection. Or this, which is like an absurd boost in shields. Yeah, Mercenary's better. Medical Interface 4 is probably fine. Okay. That's much better. Phasic rounds. No, I can do much better than that. Huh, that's much better too. Raikou 4 is better than the Raikou 5, shockingly. I mean, the Raikou 5 is better than the Raikou 4. Who would have thunk it? No, I don't need that. Let's go for... Let's go with that. Anti-personnel rounds. Okay, let's see. It's more damage. Everything else is worse on that, so... High caliber barrel. Guess that's fine. Let's throw some shredder things in that. Kinetic stabilizer, I guess. Let's take care of the bullets here. Let's see. Hammerhead rounds. That's probably fine. Duration bonus is better. 5, 10, 5. So 10 more duration for a 5. Yeah, it's better. Okay, and then I've already taken care of this stuff. Alright, good. Now we're talking about it. Let's quick save that. There it is! Hey, Net! Yeah, chat has been a pain all day today. Everyone is having trouble with chat. It's just been nightmarishly bad. How you doing, man? I've tried to switch in and out of, like, beta, popped in and out of beta, like, it's all been pretty bad. It's been almost as bad as my driving. Survey mineral. Large deposit of palladium, nice. Alright. Get out of this level 1 hazard pronto. Alright. Cool, cool, like, alright, good, yeah. I think it's probably going to be better for everyone, from what I can tell, to try to go to the beta at the moment. I don't think that's always a cure-all, but it seems like tonight, or today actually, it's working a little bit better. Alright, that's good. Yeah, this, because let me tell you. Alright. Alright, cool. Sounds good. I feel like I just left the Battle of Hoth, and now I'm going back on to the Battle of Hoth. That's what it feels like. That is a lot of red dots on this map. Oh boy. Oh, did you see that freaking slick movement? Hey guys. That's right. Hey Joy, what's up? The skills. It looks kind of like a. It looks kind of like a. What do you call it? Sandcrawler. A little bit. All right, now I got to go into that base. take out the rest of them, don't I? Alright, well. Okay, sounds good, Net. Alright. Let's move out. Let's see how big this base is. That's it? Oh, there must be like leading up and down. Okay, that's gonna be fun. Alright. Let's get it on.
Enemy sighted. I will destroy. Go, go, go!
I've heard that before. Ow.
Locked and loaded. Hold the line. I'm on it.
Uh-oh. Let's,
Hold the line! Go, go, go! Shield down. I've lost shields. I'm on it. Go, go, go!
let's get back on our feet, shall we?
I'm better
Aiden?
now. I'm on it.
Alright. We'll get back up, please.
I will
Ow!
destroy you!
Who else wants to play?
You must die.
I'm sorry, I think you meant you must. Oh, snipers are bad.
I will destroy you.
Not if I destroy you first. Oh, I can level up. That's nice. Alright. So I have a decision to make here because I can do... Oh. Oh, actually, yeah. I should probably do both of those tactical armors. I was tempted to do fitness, but... Yeah. I think that makes most sense. Try to at least come close to wrapping this up and then move on to fitness and try to do that as well. Sometime tonight, Lego. I don't know when. Kind of depends. I'm going to be playing for a little while longer now. What time is it? 3:12 my time. So I'm going to try to probably play for another 45 minutes or so. Then I'm going to get off for a while. I have some work I have to get done, and then I'll be back on later tonight. How did I get any points in Renegade? I should have like all my points in Paragon. But I guess I'm pretty much close to having that. Anyway. Alright, Shepard. Time to put on some better armor, my friend. If you can do it. I don't have any better armor right now. That's disappointing. Okay. This is going to matter if I get taken out by a sniper somewhere. Oh. I see you. So does that grenade. Ha 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 ha.
You must die.
That was a pro grenade right there. I was wondering if I could blow it up from there. Ah. Got her. One more down. No? That's interesting. Still can't save it. It's annoying. Got him. Woo! That was fun.
Area secured.
Nice. All right. Starting to get better with the snipers. Starting to get better. Which is cool, since that's what I based my entire character around. Finally learning how to use my character effectively. Okay. Clearly gonna have to go up there. And I'm gonna check out that back area too. Let's go up in this top room first. I mean, not top room. This extra area over here. Okay. I take that back then. Let's try to get this bottom room first. Whoa. The heck is that? What kind of a useless room is this? Unless there's something I'm supposed to put in that disposal canister. Which presumably I'm going to find up on the second floor. Alright. That power junction already got hit. Someone comes out of there. I want that thing taken out instead of being someplace where it can blow up nicely. Okay, that's fine. Now the upper floor where presumably other things could happen. After a quick save. Ah, what do we got? Alright, body first. Captain Willem. Discovered the corpse of Captain Willem of the MSV Majesty. His stiff fingers wrapped tightly around a small data pad. It's not surprising, I suppose. Let's get to the storage locker. Okay. Oh, jeez. Back up, back up. Oh. Yeah, yeah. So, that's what happens when you throw a grenade instead of activating a computer, kids. I don't recommend it. Oh, God. Sometimes. I got a general tactics space combat bit of information. Let's see. Shells lofted by surface navies crash back to Earth when overwhelmed by gravity and air resistance. In space, it has unlimited range. Will keep moving until it hits something. Practical gunnery range is determined by the velocity of the attacker's ordnance, maneuverability of the target, blah, 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 blah. Shortest range combat is between frigates, which have the slowest projectile velocities and highest maneuverability. Opposing dreadnoughts often with the main gun artillery duel extreme range at tens of thousands of kilometers, and the fleets close, fighters are launched. Attempt to close to disrupt a torpedo range. Cautious admirals weaken the enemy with range fire and fighter strikes before committing to close action. Long range, main guns of cruisers become useful. Medium range, ships use broadside guns. Only fighters and frigates enter close knife fight ranges of 10 or fewer kilometers. Interesting. Alright. Okay, so discovered the body of a man named Willem, evidently killed by privateers. Brother named Gareth back in the Citadel. So gotta go back to the Citadel, huh? Tell him the deal. Guess I'll go there next and then go take care of some other things. What is that? Is that like some awesome thing that I can't take? Come on, man. It's clearly some awesome stuff that I should be taking right there, and I can't even do it. Okay. Right. There, I did all that. Still don't know what the hell that disposal thing on the bottom floor is for. This thing just seems completely useless. It's like... And here, have nothing at all in this room, except this thing, which you opened and there was nothing in it. It's like, okay. Alright. Let's see what we got. Who is that? Let's see. Exit the building. Alright. Normandy time. Alright, let's save it, and then we're going back to the Citadel, tell the guy that his brother got taken out, and then after that, we're going out. I have to decide between Pharos and Vinmine, or Vermine, or whatever the heck it's called. So... Okay. Okay. Noveria, which I've already been to. Actually, is there anything else in this nebula? Let me go back to the Noveria system and just finish surveying the planets, since that way I don't have to ever go back to this system again. I don't have to land the Mako to do that. I should just be able to do it from the whatchamacallit. From above. Small but typical hydrogen and helium gas giant whose orbit lies quite close to the star. Unusual for a star with a close orbiting gas giant to have a habitable world. Svarog is Pax's only gas giant, but its temperature, powerful winds, and high orbital velocity make it a poor candidate for helium-3 mining. While Noveria enjoys plentiful deuterium for its fusion plants, it imports all of its helium-3 from out the system. Okay, that's great. Morana. Morana is an icy planetoid smaller than Earth's moon. Many planetary geologists suspect it was once an Oort cloud ice dwarf. Gesundheit, which migrated inwards after an encounter with some other body. While the crust is frozen water ice, deeper layers are mostly silicates with pockets of magnesium and aluminum. Moran is tightly locked to packs. The same side always faces the sun. Nothing to survey, though. I've already been to Noveria. I'm not going back there. Veles. What about Veles? Thin atmosphere of xenon krypton. Most other materials are frozen and fallen as snow. Surface is composed of potassium with deposits of magnesium. While investigating the primitive anaerobic life of Veles, binary helix survey teams discovered a cunningly hidden anchorage of the ancient Krogan warlord Moro. Many records and artifacts of the Krogan rebellions were recovered and sold at auction. The empty base is now abandoned. Yeah, that's great. Noveria, which did a great job elsewhere. Okay. Nothing really else exciting about that place. I already know about Noveria. Okay. That's all I got for the Horsehead Nebula, right? Okay. Citadel. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's land. It's just a quick stop to tell the guy about his brother and hopefully get a reward, and then we're going right back out. Out we go. And as usual, Caden and Erdnot.
Equalizing interior pressure with exterior atmosphere. Logged. The commanding officer is ashore.
Presley has the deck. Yeah, but that's... You're supposed to have a badder-ass helmet than that. What? I thought his helmet was much more awesome than that. Oh well.
Exo Presley has the deck.
Quick save that. Alright. CSEC Academy, where we're going to go see what's-his-face in the Citadel Tower. Tell him about his brother. And
today, Emily Wong investigates corruption on the Citadel and uncovers a full-blown crime syndicate.
I've already helped out Emily Wong a couple of times on some stories she was doing. I'm starting to get a little nervous about it. I see you, Sir TV. Yeah, chat is completely borked. Man. Like, it's one thing... I don't know. I understand that League and all these things helps them maintain their servers, that people who don't have those kind of numbers at the moment are... That's fine, but I don't know. Oh, okay. Yep. Well, Steam still seems to be working. Requisitions. I'm going to go to requisitions first. See if there's anything else I can get in the way of armor, and then I will try to get to the Citadel Tower and talk to them about that stuff. Oh, really? Yeah.
Hello, Commander.
Show me what you've got.
I'll open the rare stocks for you, Commander. Enjoy.
Okay. First of all, we're going to sell some stuff. Pretty much we're getting rid of 1s and 2s. And depending on how many things I have, I may get rid of 3s also. Yeah, I'm getting rid of 3s also. Okay. Now I get rid of duplicates. I found like I haven't needed really to buy anything from here because I find better stuff out, you know, on missions out when I'm playing the game, and there's no reason to waste money, you know. Even though I have like 635,000, but I haven't needed it. I mean, do not need duplicates. I mean, it really is almost silly how much, like, I mean, how many, it's just ridiculous how much money I end up getting as a consequence. I wonder if you can break the game this way. Okay. Now, what have we got? Well, that's better than what I have. Let's try medium armor first of all. It's better on shields, but it's worse on everything else. It's a lot better on shields, but it's worse on everything else. That could be useful, maybe. Alright, oh wait, first of all, yes, I want that. Yes, I do want the Metagel upgrade. Thank you. I certainly want a technologies license. Alright. 5, 10, and 8. It's not as good. That's a little better. So I'll get that. Okay, then we can move all the way up to here. 71,000 for a pistol? Yeah, I know, I know. I'm sorry about how bad the chat is. I wish I had control over it. I really don't. Probably gonna regret getting it. Ooh. That's better. It's actually considerably better for Caden, isn't it? Alright. If he can... Actually, it just struck me. I don't know if he can hold medium armor. Guess we'll find out. Let's see. Am I going to get a slightly better sniper rifle? It's a lot of money, but I don't know what I'm saving it for. I have a ton anyway. Alright, I'm going to get that. And I'm going to get... that. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Is that like one of the expansions? Because remember, I haven't played 2 or 3. I've only played this one and only about maybe, I don't know, 60% of the way through or something now, so... Yep. And then pistol. Alright, now, can he wear medium armor? He can't wear medium armor. That was really stupid to get that. Oh well. Let me talk to you, sell the other stuff.
Show me what you've got. I'll open the rare stocks for you, Commander. Enjoy.
Oh, I forgot. I gotta sell the blue wire tool. I gotta equip the blue wire tool. So they don't need a Raikou 4 since I just got a Raikou 7. Any more duplicates? Oh, an RPG on GameCube. I don't think I've ever heard of that game. I am not aware of that game. Alright, I got to equip Caden with the new blue wire. There we go. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, wonderful. So now we are going to go to the Citadel Tower, tell the guy about his brother, and then we're going to get out of Dodge, as they say. I think it's in the Presidio. Yep. Let's do it. Really an epic game. I mean, if you think about the series that they put together, it really is pretty epic. Alright. Time to go tell you about your brother. I made a special trip for this, so it better be worth it.
I hope he's okay.
He's not.
I'm on a break. Talk to someone else if you need anything. I've got a lot on my mind.
Willem's dead.
I found your brother's body. His ship was attacked by privateers.
Willem's dead? I guess I should have expected this. When his ship dropped out of contact, I just knew. But I kept hoping he might still be alive.
You were fooling yourself.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Thank you for finding him. It's better to know one way or the other. That's what they say, right? Please excuse me. I need to go make arrangements for his funeral.
That was underwhelming. Okay, that's exciting. Alright, let's get back to the Normandy, and then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to go. Whoa. Okay. All of a sudden I'm like, dude in the white suit. What's up with that? Where's locations? CSEC. CSEC Academy. How are we doing on time? Okay. Got about another 20 minutes or so for my playing today. Alright. Going to the Tuckin Bay, where I'm taking the Normandy away.
Your are coming along nicely.
Sorry.
In the last fight, it looked like you even surprised yourself.
I've always held back a little when I used my powers on living targets. Fear of hurting someone, I guess. But after what I saw on Eden Prime, I'm not holding back anymore. Not against a Geth, not against anyone.
Alright. Open up, says me. Last time I was here, I talked someone... What? I talked someone down last time. She had been an attack on the planet as well. On where the planet where my parents were supposedly killed in this game.
Stand by, shore party. Decontamination in progress. Logged. The commanding officer is aboard. XO Presley stands relieved.
Okay. Back on the Normandy, let's save it. Now I have a question. Now I have a decision to make. So this race against time thing, I need to explore stuff. This is my overall mission. So I have Pharos, which was sitting there before, a Geth attack. There's that. There's Vermeer they told me about, and they're worried about the fact that this Solarian reconnaissance team is in danger. So I have to decide if I'm going to Pharos or Vermeer. I think I really want to do Pharos because it's been sitting there for a while. The only reason I'm hesitating is because Vermeer, they were kind of like, oh my god, reconnaissance team, blah 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 blah. But I feel like that's something I'd almost rather be more leveled up and kind of more ready to go. That feels to me like, well, I don't know. This is also dangerous because there's a whole bunch of Geth troops there, so I don't know. That probably doesn't make any sense. I think I'm going to go to Pharos. Wait a minute, where is that? Jews Hope Colony. Okay, let's find out what's going on there. I actually think I should also survey, which I wasn't doing. You know what? I changed my mind, because this is going to be quick. I'm going to go here, here, here. Basically, I'm going to do all of these and then make my way over to Pharos, because this is just a matter of surveying, so I should be able to do it pretty quickly, I think. Although there may not be anything there anyway, but let's see what happens when you go to Seoul. Hey, Sad, I see you. Chat is a complete freaking cluster, you know what, right now, Set, so. Yeah, it's really, it sucks. But it's good to see you. Alright, let's see. Uranus. I've already been there. Neptune. Already been there. Mars. This is just me checking to see if there's anything to survey. Okay. Venus. Mercury. Earth. I've heard of Earth before. Oh, okay, cool. That looks like you've been trying to, it looks to me like you've been trying to, post that for a while. Sir TV. I already went to Luna, so I'm not going to go back there. This is just me checking to make sure I didn't miss anything, in terms of surveying. No. Yeah, it's really bad. I appreciate everyone trying to sticking with me despite how nightmarishly bad the situation has been with chat. As I say, I wish I had control over it, but I do not. Alright. Tyr. Compositionally quite similar to Earth, however it lies over 4 AU from Asgard, possesses an atmosphere primarily composed of nitrogen and ethane, While a potential target for terraforming, the presence of the shirt sleeves, Habitable, and Terra Nova in the same system relegated Tier to a support role. Nearly 100 corporations, human and alien, have constructed extensive teleoperating mining, refining, and manufacturing facilities across the face of Tier. Combined with the platinum loads of Terra Nova, the resources they produce are driving development of the local hydrogen fuel cell industries. Asgar's system now supplies nearly 4% of the galactic market. Asteroid X-57, I think, is where I did stuff. Yeah. I already did that. That was the light up the sky or whatever it was. Terra Nova. I already went there. Bohr. Huge hydrogen helium gas giant, 90 moons. Striking coloration caused by the light of ionized hydrogen filtering through an upper cloud deck of sodium. Small brown dwarf, deep gravity well, etc., etc. Okay. And I already did Tier. What about Loki? Small terrestrial world with little to recommend it. Really? Okay. Utopia, huh? Alright, just wrapping up some surveying and stuff like that. Hydrogen helium gas giant even larger than Jupiter. Only local source of fuel and 112 satellites. It actually has a population, 1,061. Eden Prime. I know all about Eden Prime. Model of sustained organizable development. Yeah, until it got attacked. How about Arcadia? Usually large terrestrial world, dense atmosphere, nitrogen and helium. Several spectacular examples of column or basalt formation. No commercial development. Okay. What about Nirvana? Check, check. I see it. I see you. Xanadu. Composed of methane and argon. That's not an exciting system at all. Okay, so we went to the cluster. We went to we've already been to Noveria. So Artemis Tau. Alright, so Artemis Tau next. Let's make it Sparta. Well, I know, it sucks, and I have like 17 or 18 people in right now, and the last time that it started working, everyone was like, hey, what's going on? Hi, guys, hey, 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 and then all of a sudden it went silent again because of chat, so it's freaking annoying. Alright, Altaia, large terrestrial world, trace amount of methane and ammonia. It's not important. I'm looking for things to survey. Antamolka, large hydrogen helium gas giant, congested with hundreds of captured moons. Ships that military gate kinetic barriers are likely to suffer catastrophic impacts. Wow, so basically, don't go there. How about Idolus? Terrestrial planet. I think I've already been to Idolus. I'm not looking to land anywhere, I just want to survey things from the outside. Dwarf planet, no magnetic field. That's cool. Pirate suppression campaign. Okay. So none of that is really going to get the job done. Whoa, did I just see an unknown? Asteroid cluster. What do we have here? Collection of small siliceous asteroids loosely bound together by gravity. I found a data disk. A recon team was sent to investigate one of the larger asteroids. Had a small functioning biodome. No sign of anyone still living there. There was, however, a data console with an intact Prothean data disk inside. Nice. That's the kind of thing I'm looking for. Okay. So much for Sparta. What about Knossos? start on Armini. Terrestrial world, unusually thin atmosphere of Krypton and Xenon. Let's see. Closer investigation revealed these as millions of elaborate crypts a few meters below the surface, left by a long-extinct spacefaring species called the Zeoph. Many human universities wish to perform archaeological excavations. Council law holds grave sites as sacrosanct, however. The matter has been tied up in court for a decade. Wow. It's pretty wild. What about this? What do you have to say, Arcanes? Small hydrogen helium gas giant. Largely automated infrastructure. Okay, that's not interesting. How about Phaistos? Small terrestrial trace atmosphere of carbon dioxide and xenon. Scorching hot, composed of sulfur and various silicates. Little of interest, okay. How about Therum? Distant but rich industrial world claimed by the Human Systems Alliance. Plentiful heavy metals. Protean ruins dotting the surface, many of which have been looted, most of which have been looted by mining corporations, so that's nice. Okay, what about Zakros? Terrestrial world, nitrogen, methane atmosphere, hydrocarbons, not solid enough, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so that's Therum, Armini. Not exciting at all. Okay. Leaves us with Athens and Macedon. I've been there, so Athens next. Wikipedia. Let's see what Nausicaa says. Traces of sodium, water vapor, otherwise nobody cares. Salamis. Provides salami. Free of charge. No. Thick carbon dioxide atmosphere. Equatorial daytime temperatures turn the surface molten. That's nice. How about Circe? Turns men into pigs. No. For helium mining at some point. Proteus. 90% oceanic cover. Hot, humid, storm-racked. Combination of oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon-based biosphere. Recommended for colonization. Pilot program studying the possibilities of colonies below the ocean's surface. Has a population of 12,470. I saw Wikipedia, and then I saw, yeah, people are typing and they're getting like one or two comments, it looks like, before chat goes down again. Ice bright crater in the southern hemisphere. Makes it visible from the inner system. Deeper craters partially filled by ice. Not very exciting. Okay. So that's not exciting. Okay. Last cluster is Macedon. Yep, that's what I saw too. Sharjila. So, Sad, how are you doing? Are we, dense atmosphere, blah, 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 blah. I could land. I don't feel like landing there. I'm not landing for anything. I'm just trying to survey from the orbit if I can. Enormous terrestrial planet, blah, blah, blah. Yes, I did, and that's totally fine. I figured as much. Hopefully your girlfriend had a happy birthday, I hope. So yeah, I don't know if you're going to be available. I guess you're still working again tonight, but whenever you are, we could definitely use you to do stuff with mapping and to hang out on stream maybe this evening, so. Yeah, I didn't see those two messages. I only saw you mention one part of that it was a good game for the GameCube, but I hadn't seen a lot else. But now I see it, Sir TV. Padavig. And Fargalus. Love these names. Standard and nothing really matters. Okay. Make sure there's no... Whoop! Metallic asteroid. Metal-rich asteroid. Let's see. Large deposit of titanium. There we go, see? That's what this is about. That's why I do this. Okay, we're out of Macedon. Means we're out of Artemis Tau. So we've got... So I want to go... Here, 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 and then here. So Hades Gamma next. I've already explored part of this, I think. It's true. Well, let's take the closer one here. Vmall. Enormous terrestrial world, mixed rock and ice, noxious surface gases. A lot of this, like, this planet is useless or we can't do anything with it. Second, larger of Antaeus 2 gas giants, ancient spacefaring race opposed to their weapons of war. Hunidor. Moderately sized ice world. I've had quite enough of ice worlds for the moment, thank you. Edmos, standard hydrogen helium giant. They'll be able to do a refinery there. That's great. Don't care. I'm looking for the goods. Flyby probe. Rich in heavier elements. Extremely rough crater terrain. Rated Vmall. Okay. Trebin. Or Trebin, or Trebin, or... I think I was there already. Okay. Hey, Net. Okay, now over to here. Farinata. I know this is not the most exciting thing in the world. I'm basically just trying to do some wrap-up stuff here before continuing with the main quest, which I may not do. I may log off for a bit before I do that. There we go, surveying. That's the kind of thing I like to do. Large deposit of thorium on a nearby moon. I think I already went to the MSV Ontario, I'm pretty sure. Tunshagen. Now it's kind of working. I haven't finished it. I'm still playing it. I just want to take a break, basically. That's Jade Empire, and I have not finished it yet. Now, I was jonesing to play Mass Effect again and actually see if I could finish it this time. At least ME1. So yeah. Okay. Oh, I just surveyed that. Right. Okay. That's Farinata. I already did Antaeus. So let's get out of the Hades Gamma. So it's going to be Gemini Sigma, Argos Rho, Voyager Cluster, and then last I'll end up in Pharos. So Gemini Sigma next. Ming the Merciless. Hey, Waffles. Large rock planet. This is the kind of thing I'm looking for as a survey stuff. Large deposit of titanium. Small but typical hydrogen helium gas giant. Joker brought the Normandy in close. A small team was able to retrieve some valuable detritus, including a League of One medallion. See? That's the sort of thing I mean. That gets missed otherwise. Okay. Out of the Gemini Sigma quadrant, that was good. Okay, Argus Rho, Voyager Cluster, and then Pharos. Yep. Yeah, I've been doing some of that. What I'm basically doing is I'm not going anywhere that I have to land, because I did a lot of that before. I'm just going now to basically take care of a lot of the surveying that I can do from the surface. I mean from the ship. And then once I do that, basically just kind of wrapping up a lot of those loose ends before I go back to the... Not the main quest, but the more main... Well, yeah, actually, the main quest. Mostly because I don't feel like doing go right now, except for main quest stuff. I did a lot of side quests before in this game. Shiagor. Interesting. Canrum is a small rocky world with a trace atmosphere of methane and krypton. Its surface is mainly composed of magnesium and silicates with deposits of carbon. Canrum was the site of the warlord Shiagor's defeat by Turian peacekeeping forces during the Krogan rebellions. While this band was not especially powerful, Shiagor was a female warlord, and one of the few remaining fertile females at that. She had, through viciousness and cunning, parlayed her unique value into a position of power. Krogan males competed for the right to join her band and lie with her. When Shiagor's death was announced, vengeful male Krogan admirers near and far swore blood oaths against the participating Turian crews. In the end, several thousand of the Turian participants were killed in open combat or through assassination. To this day, many Krogan proudly proclaim that they have the blood of Shiagor. Interesting. How about Metgos? Level 2 heat hazards. Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm not landing in these places. I think I already went there. Yeah. They are? No. Okay. What about Sibba? It's a cool looking planet. Not very exciting though. In fact, I just scroll around here, look, check and see if I have anything. Okay. So much for Hydra. All right. So, I've already done Hades, Gamma, Gemini, Sigma, this and this, right? So, Voyager Cluster, and then, Pharos. Huh. Of course, there's like 3 things in the Voyager Cluster, but oh well. Patagiri, thin atmosphere composed of neon and chlorine, and I can survey it. Large deposit of thorium. Cool. How about Dragir? Small barren rock world. Another place I can survey. Beryllium. How about Binthu, which I've already been to? I remember being on Binthu. Ren Shadow. Not very exciting. Al-Rumpter. Small rocky terrestrial planet. A weak signal coming from the far side of the planet Al-Rumpter. Joker brought the Normandy around and your salvage team picked up a small escape pod trapped in orbit. There was a long dead Turian inside along with a few personal items and a Prothean data disk. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So much for Yangtze. Now, Amazon. Guess I'll travel.
Commander, incoming signal from 5th Fleet HQ on the Citadel.
Uh-oh, what's up?
Commander Shepard, something uncomfortable has just come up. In the First Contact War, we fired a lot of espionage probes into Turian space. We just received a mission-complete burst from one of them.
Where's it been in the meantime?
No idea. Lost in transit. These probes were built in a hurry after First Contact.
What makes this uncomfortable?
When these probes were launched, we didn't have any idea who we were fighting. We didn't want to risk aliens examining our technology. The probe has a demo nuke built in. A 20-kiloton tactical fusion warhead.
Charming.
About equal to the bomb dropped on Hiroshima back in the 20th. If somebody finds that probe, tampers with it, you don't need me to finish, Commander.
I understand this must be handled, but I don't have anyone trained to deal with this sort of thing, sir.
I know. I wouldn't ask if it wasn't important. These probes have been classified for 26 years. The Council will call fusion bomb booby traps dangerous and irresponsible. The Alliance would face censure if they find this probe. I'm asking you because the Normandy can get on site quickly and quietly. It's in the Voyager cluster.
It's in the Voyager cluster. That's the opposite side of the Alliance from Turian space. How did it get there?
I don't know. It's possible someone recovered it safely and brought it there. It's also possible it got very badly lost. It could have been wandering the relay network since the war.
We'll get on it immediately, Admiral. And we'll be discreet.
I appreciate that, Commander. Good luck.
I don't know about that. Like, this is the same, like, what about the I don't have anyone trained for this business? Like, really? Survey. Large concentration of nitrogen. Sibin. Small rock and ice planet. Doing a lot of surveying. Recon team recovered a small unmanned probe marked with a Quatum outpost insignia. Another Turan insignia, see? Dernuka. Enormous terrestrial world. Gravity well. Dozen small satellites. How about Sunedma? Second of the Amazon system's arid superterrestrial world. Small deposit of polonium. How about Agebinium? Agebinium! Small terrestrial world with an extremely thin atmosphere of carbon dioxide and krypton. Blasted away. Yeah, again, not landing there unless I need to for a mission. Alright, let's head to Columbia and take care of that, and then I'll worry about this going to deactivate a freaking nuclear bomb BS. What's Gromar have to say for itself? Rocky terrestrial world hosted one half of a Turian interferometric telescope array. Aha! Another League of One medallion. How about Ontotheater? Prothean ship crashed to the crust of the planet, might still be recovered. Nah. Oh well. I got some rare minerals anyway. How about Clogia? Hothouse terrestrial world, hot and tectonically active. That's doesn't sound like a lot of fun. I think I've been on Nepheron before. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have been. Okay. And I already went there. Voyager cluster. Okay, so I gotta take care of the Voyager cluster. And then go to Pharos. Done all the rest of this stuff. Before I do anything, though, I'm gonna look at this journal and see what these things say. Let's talk about the Codex first and see what the has to say about these ruins. After 20 years of manned research outposts and nearly a century of robotic exploration, the European Space Agency's Lowell City became the first permanent settlement on Mars in 2103. Within a decade, the United States and China had founded permanent settlements as well. The South Polar region of Promethei Planum developed a Bermuda Triangle reputation. Satellites detected intermittent mass concentrations and magnetic field shifts. In 2148, prospectors working near Desio Crater discovered an underground complex, a Prothean observation post. The odd phenomenon were generated by the operation and discharge of a mass effect core, struggling to function despite 50 millennia of neglect. Hey, Polar, it's going well. I'm just doing a little bit of surveying before getting back into the main quest. And I'm probably going to be logging pretty soon, because I need to have lunch. I need to have a late lunch, and I need to do some work before getting back on tonight. So, probably only playing for another 20 minutes or so. Earth was electrified by the news. Humanity was unequivocally not alone. While courts battled over who owned the ruins, the international scientific community coordinated a massive effort to access, translate, and interpret the data banks recovered from the facility. The facility proved to be a biosciences observation post built when Homo sapiens were the first evolving on Earth. While the motives of the Protheans are not certain, translated records indicate the facility was in regular communication with automated observation platforms in Earth orbit and on the lunar near side. The half-dozen Mass Effect spaceships found in the facility were presumably used for first-hand observation. Alright, now what does he have to say about this business? Espionage probe. Amazon system in the Voyager cluster. Okay. I'm going to save that because I just did a lot of surveying. I actually want to see how close I am on some of these other missions now that I think of it. Like the Asari writings, I got 4 to 10. I got 4 to 7 data discs. 4 out of 10 League medallions. 2 out of 3 Solarian ID tags. 7 out of 13 Turian emblems. Got way more gases than I need. I need more. I'm overboard. I need more heavy metals, light metals, and rare earths. Okay. Alright, let's take care of this espionage probe. Amazon system in the Voyager cluster. Let's do it up. Amazon system. I've seen how this works. I'm going to find a probe. Its name is going to be V'ger, and I'm looking around to find any, like, unknown, like, anomaly type places. Okay, so we've got Age Binium. I could land there. I'll take a look at that. I'll go back there if there's no place else to land. Dernuka I already took care of. Sonedma. Sibin. And last but not least, Trimar. Okay, well, since I don't see anything anywhere else, I'm going to assume we're talking about Age Binium. Okay, I'm going to do this mission and then I'm going to log for a little while. Alright, let's do it up. Alright, hold on 1 second. Okay. What do we got? Alliance homing beacon, an anomaly, and debris. That homing beacon is where I'm supposed to be going. So we're going to go up this way. We're going to hit this, and then go down to that. And we're going to hope that we don't run into a freaking Thresher Maw on the way, because this place looks like it is tailor-made for Thresher Maws. You can do it, Mako. One kind of steep. You can do it! You can do it! Ah. Nice. Yeah, I know. Chat has been... Well, I don't know what you mean by cutted, but... Oh, wait a minute. Yes, I know what you mean. Let me see if that's true. Ah, quite right. Give me 1 second. Thanks for letting me know. Hold on. In a way, I guess it hasn't mattered because chat has been so screwed up anyway. Oh, hold on 1 second. Phone ringing.
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
Okay. May need to get off may need to get off for the next few minutes. Where am I? Oh. It looks like... There's the Mako, okay. Again, I'm staying away, because that place down there is like... It shouldn't be... Actually, Thresher Maw should not be able to survive in weather this hot, but, you know, who knows. It's interesting. It's like another Mako, basically. What do you mean? I did turn the microphone off. I don't get what that is doing there. I really don't understand that. But I did turn the microphone off on TeamSpeak and on, whatchamacallit. Why? Were you able to hear... You able to hear some beeping? Like, in the stream or something?
Got it.
Ah, another insignia. Okay. What? Hold on.
Microphone muted. Microphone activated.
I see, okay. I understand. Yep, I hear what you guys are saying. I'm actually not 100% sure I want to turn that off because I think it's actually useful for me sometimes to know that it's on, but I will keep that in mind. Oh, come on, Mako. What is that?
On my way.
I'm going to assume I can't do anything with this, can I? No? Okay. Okay. Rail extension and a shield modulator. That's not that exciting. Oh, no, 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 I understand. Yeah, no, that's actually useful to know. So. Okay, homing beacon. If this is going to be a long, drawn-out process, I'm not going to be able to do this right now. So I'm hoping this is just one of those things where it's like you find it, survey it, go back to the ship, and then, you know, and then that's that. Yeah, no, that's useful to know, though. You're right, because otherwise I would not know. Hey, is Satalbo still on? And can he answer me in Twitch's borked chat? Oh, you're going to make me go down there. That is so Thresher Maw territory down there. It completely is. It's going to be interesting. Ah! Okay, so Sad, I don't know if you heard me what I was saying before. I don't know if you're going to be on this evening, because we were thinking about doing more Warlock, and they're hopelessly lost without your mapping skills with the Z. So I was just curious if you were going to be on. I know, right? I don't know. I mean, it might be later. I don't actually know. Oh, future in-laws are in town. Okay. So it's probably going to be... You're not going to be able to do it then because it's probably going to be later, right? Than you would have hoped for. I'm just curious because I'm going to have to log off now. I'm going to be back on later. And the only reason I didn't do Warlock the other day... Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Well, hopefully maybe we can try again for tomorrow night or the next day. I want to be able to do it, but I'm just nervous that everyone's going to get so incredibly lost that it's going to be hard until we figure out a way to handle this problem with the maps. So, hey, Mojo. But if not, I obviously have more of this to play as well. So, however... I now have to log off and get going for a while. I'm really sorry Twitch was this freaking borked. I apologize on behalf of Twitch. I wish I had something to do with it. What? Now supposedly... There are my viewers. Okay. So thanks, everybody. Sorry, Mojo. I was just logging when you came on. Thanks to, as always, Netowin, 8Ball. Good to see you again. Guilt, Stobo, Lego, Maps. Myth for Abundus. Welcome. Welcome into the stream. Polar, Certifi, Mojo, and Waffles. Yeah, I got to get logging off. I got to get going. I've been promising I was going to log off for like the last half hour, and I really do have to go now and get some work done. But I'll be back later on this evening. Maybe we'll be playing Warlock of Firetop Mountain, depending on how things work out about mapping or otherwise. I don't know. Hopefully we will. As soon as we get the mapping situation resolved, we'll be able to play it more. I just am worried that there's just so many, like... It's just hard to figure out where everyone's going, and I cannot be keeping track of maps while I'm running things. I just can't do it. So anyway, we'll figure that out. If you like what you've heard and saw, please follow. I will definitely be playing Mass Effect again. And yeah, but it's got to be quick, Net, because I got to leave in like the next 30 seconds or so. So let me know what's up, but I got to get going. I don't honestly know, Net. I really don't know. I don't know if I even want to say. I mean, probably not for a good 5 hours, I would say. I would guess. I'm probably going to be back on around like 9:30 my time, but it might be later. I don't want to promise because it depends on how work goes. I have to, I played with my daughter in our snowstorm that we had earlier today. I did some shoveling. I have to do some more. So I don't know. I'm hoping, you know, sooner rather than later, but I can't promise. So... yes, definitely go check out Durbin's stream. That's twitch.tv/Durbin because he is playing. And yeah, if you haven't had a chance to follow, please make sure to do so. I will be playing Mass Effect again, and hopefully tonight we'll either do that or we will play some Warlock of Firetop Mountain. Okay? Thanks, everybody. Spread the word. Thanks for watching. Sorry about how bad Twitch chat was, and I will catch you guys all later on. Have a good day till I talk to you.